Imagine this, you've got a brilliant book idea but the blank page is staring back at you. Frustrating, right? What if there's an AI that helps you turn that idea into reality in no time? Meet Squibler, the AI tool that's changing how writers work. I'm Anmol Maimon, an AI product analyst at allaboutai.com. Today we're diving into Squibler and seeing if it truly is the best AI book writer out there. Stick around for a demo, pros and cons, and my honest rating. Squibler is designed for authors, bloggers, and screenwriters who want to speed up their writing process. It uses AI to help you draft faster, whether it's a novel or screenplay. But what really stands out is its book writing mode. Let me explain why. In Squibler's book writing mode, you can do so much more than just write. It's highly customizable, allowing you to edit paragraphs, change or add more info as needed. Insert images and videos. Using the visualization feature, you can make your story more interactive. Set the tone. Guide the AI to match your desired mood. Rewrite paragraphs. If you don't like what's generated, simply rewrite. Generate scenes. You can direct the AI on what should happen next, making sure your vision stays intact. Set the narrative. Control the flow of your story, be it character-driven or plot-driven. Add notes and comments. Highlight text and add your ideas or notes easily. Formatting and structure. Customize the format of your book to meet professional standards. Add story elements. Introduce objects, characters, or plot twists effortlessly. Storyboard. Visualize your entire book or screenplay with a storyboard, making it easier to structure and plan. Let me show you how it works. I'll log into Squibler and quickly demonstrate how the AI book writing assistant generates text. After that, I'll add a few images, set the tone, and guide the AI on what happens next. It's smooth and intuitive. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: fast AI-generated drafts, complete control over editing, tone, and scene generation, visualization tools to insert images, videos, and create a storyboard, custom formatting options, and ability to add story elements. Cons: the AI may struggle with very specific writing styles. It's not fully free, but there's a free version to try. Wondering how much Squibler costs? There is a premium price for the full range of features, but there's also a book writing AI free version, which lets you try out the basics before committing. Squibler is perfect for authors, screenwriters, and bloggers who want more control over their writing process. It's a productivity booster for anyone looking to speed up the process while keeping creative control. So, is Squibler worth it? Absolutely. With its powerful AI features and customizable options, it's a great tool for writers. I'd rate it 4 out of 5 for the control and creativity it offers. That wraps up my Squibler AI review. If this was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Have you used Squibler? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Also, do check out our website for more interesting AI updates. See you in the next video, and happy writing!